Okay, good afternoon, Chef Steele here. So what I'm showing you this afternoon is how to plant potatoes. We're not going to talk about the Rugby World Cup, but we will say congratulations to the Springboks. So interestingly enough, this afternoon's potatoes that I'm planted, they are a South African variety. They are saffra potatoes. This is them. Okay, fully green shooting seed potatoes. Okay, and it's very interesting. I've done some research on saffra, and there's 200 hectares of saffra potatoes have been planted in the UAE near Al Ain. So very interesting. These are imported from South Africa, but now they are being grown in the UAE. So that's amazing. So I'll just show you here. I've got two of the biggest pots that I could find. I filled them up with the light sandy loam soil, about 4 inches. What I'm going to do is just place the potatoes on top, evenly spaced out. I'll have the eyes of the potatoes or the shoots facing upwards where possible. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is just covering them lightly in soil. So more of the same soil mix which I've made. There's plenty of perlite, cow manure, compost. Okay, a little bit of sand, a little bit of blue metal or crushed dust. So just to cover those potatoes lightly. What I will be doing is waiting now for those sprouts to come up through the soil. Once the shoots do come up through the soil, I will be then covering the shoots again, heaping up the soil around the shoots, and I will continuously do that until the tubs are full, until the pots are full, and that will give us plenty of potatoes. So we'll see you for the harvest in around 6 months. So I hope you'll try this at home. I'm really looking forward to growing my own potatoes. Hope you will too, and then we can come up with a killer potato salad recipe to celebrate. So cheers. Thank you very much for watching, and happy growing.